Number 11. Destroy the countryside. It means to damage natural areas outside of cities severely.
Pollution can destroy the countryside. Pollution can destroy the countryside. Illegal logging destroyed the countryside quickly. Illegal logging destroyed the countryside quickly. Building factories may destroy the countryside. Building factories may destroy the countryside.
Number 12. Develop AIDS. It means to become sick with AIDS, an immune system disease.
He developed AIDS after contracting HIV. He developed AIDS after contracting HIV. In those regions, many sadly develop AIDS. In those regions, many sadly develop AIDS. Awareness can help prevent developing AIDS. Awareness can help prevent developing AIDS.
Number 13. Develop a friendship. It means to gradually form a friendly relationship.
They developed a friendship at school. They developed a friendship at school. I developed a deep friendship with my colleague. I developed a deep friendship with my colleague. We developed a friendship over summer camp. We developed a friendship over summer camp.
Number 14. Develop a taste for. It means to begin to like a specific food, drink, or style.
She developed a taste for Italian food. She developed a taste for Italian food. He recently developed a taste for jazz music. He recently developed a taste for jazz music. I've developed a taste for spicy food. I've developed a taste for spicy food.
Number 15. Wind dies down. It means when the wind becomes less strong.
The wind dies down at sunset. The wind dies down at sunset. After the storm, the wind died down. After the storm, the wind died down. Wait to sail until the wind dies down. Wait to sail until the wind dies down.